Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we are going to develop custom icons, a feature for admin sidebar. In short, if I want to change the icon of dashboard, then I have to do that manually. But now we are going to make it automatically with the help of dynamic icon update feature. What actually we are going to do, we will when someone will click on edit, we have a column for icon and we will place the icon code there and it will automatically reflect here. So before that we need to inspect which icon library right now in use. So here you can see we have this icon home, or it is using this icon styles. So let's check Metronics icons. Here I have Metronic whole theme, and let's identify, or even that we can use view page source to check it is available for font awesome or not. Font awesome, yes. We can also use font awesome, like I will replace it as FA and FA, for example, car, and you can see it is changed into the car. So I can easily change the icons dynamically. Even I can set their colors, like simply you can I can simply use style, color and white, and here you can see the color is changed here. So we are going to make it dynamic color and dynamic icon column here. So before getting starting, we need to add two fields here for icon and icon color in this tutorial, and in the next tutorial we are going to create column in the database, and then so on we will create the space in del and bal. So go to the menu and links. Here I have controller menu. Okay, close all these. And I have to search for link. Now right click here and go to view. Okay, search for create. Here is the create. Okay, now what we will do here, we will create two fields, field 1 and field 2. The first field name will be link icon and second will be link icon color. Okay, link icon color. Okay, and that's it. Refresh the page and click on create, and you can see link icon and icon color. So this is it. In the next tutorial we are going to create two columns in the database to store these values. I hope this is informative. If you have any kind of question, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. Take care, bye bye, have fun.